Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unpackaging to share with you guys. So this is the Going Gear EDC Club package. They sent the last month's really close to this one. Let me say this. So I think these are neat. Last month's was really boring. The last few have been pretty cool. There have been some that have been better than others. There was no knife in last month's video. And while they don't necessarily, explicitly say like there's going to be a knife in every single one of them. Listen, I like Going Gear. I've got links for them right down in the description. There's links for the EDC Club. It's cool, but Going Gear, if you're watching this, I really think you guys need to include a knife in every single, that's my opinion. It's mostly knife guys who are picking this stuff up, or at least I have to assume that. So with last month's not including a knife, it had some other it was okay, right? Some other neat stuff. If it was coupled with a knife, right? That's kind of what people want to see. So that was last month's was kind of disappointing. I'm really hoping that this one's a little bit better. Anyways, thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, here we go. What did we get this month? Let's take a look. I'm really hoping that this one's a little bit better. I have no idea what these are. There's a few of them here. And then we have, hang on. Some sort of long box. Okay. And okay, all right. There's some coffee in it. I'm always happy to get coffee. I don't know if you guys know I like caffeine. Is there a note in here? Yeah, there is. All right, so here we go. Let's take a look. The Going Gear EDC Club, the best way to keep your everyday carry up to date. Hydra knives, thank you. A knife. Buzzard, Black Vulture. Light load, extra strength towels, trail butter, dark chocolate, and coffee. Okay, so we do have a knife in here. So these trail butter, and by the way, here's the idea with this, is that it's $60 a month. You don't get to know what's in there, but the total value of everything in there will always be more than $60 if you were to buy them individually from their site or wherever, right? So these little things are, what are these? These are light load, extra strength towels. All right, I mean, I don't have, I guess I can never have too many little towels or travel towels, right? So that's kind of neat. I mean, some people are going to find more or less use of that. I'm always happy to get, this says trail butter, dark chocolate, and coffee almond butter blend. So it's not coffee, it's butter. I'm hearing about this. Is it blended trail mix or a spreadable bar? We aren't sure either. But this is a great high protein, high fat, and calorie dense on the go snack made from real food that we think you're going to enjoy. That's interesting. I don't really understand what it is, but okay. And they, these look like real values to me. $2, right? $6.50. It looks like the vast majority of the value here is coming from this, which is a Hydra Knives Buzzard. Okay, so it's a fixed blade. What do we have here? All right, so it's pretty hyper tactical fixed blade, right? This is like a multi-tool karambit kind of thing. I got to be honest with you guys, this isn't really my thing. I mean, some people are really going to like this. What is this made out of? Hydra Buzzard. Coating's a little bit thick on this guy. M6, M5, M3. Come on now. Come on. This kind of is frustrating with the what this is. 1.4116 steel and value of $96.95. No way. Not with that steel. So listen, I like the Going Gear website. The Going Gear website has a lot of cool stuff on there, and their pricing on their stuff is good, but what I was asking for with these packages is there needs to be a knife in here. The one that I really liked was when they did the exclusive mini sheepdog. That was a great one, right? There needs to be, knife guy stuff in here. And the people who are doing this, the people who are going to be willing to, pick up these packages and pay $60 a month for, random interesting items. They want the items to be actually interesting. Usefulness, yeah, and I mean, of course, but little things that are like the people who are going to be picking this up are going to know which steels, which types of knives are actually going to be, appropriate for the value. So while Hydra knives, the Hydra knives buzzard, they might want $96.95 for that. But the people who are going to be picking up this package, like me, they're going to know 1.4116 steel. I mean, we're all too familiar with, when CRKT uses that on knives, we steer away from it. This is not a $100 fixed blade. So this is kind of, no. Do an interesting knife or a different, some type of like exclusive variant. It would be really neat if they included some type of, I mean, it's really difficult to include a new exclusive every single month in this package, but something interesting that's actually, has a steel that is appropriate for the price range, right? Or something. It's okay to include a fixed blade, but something like this, that's just like, I mean, we're kind of like, it's a multi-tool and it's a karambit and it's black, right? I mean, 1.4116 steel, like this might be the one that, this included a knife, and this might be the most disappointing one. I don't know, man. I'm kind of wanting to backpedal from this a little bit because these last two have just been super duper disappointing. I'm at this moment recording this right now, right? I was excited because like, oh, there's a knife in here. Like, I mean, it's probably something neat because the last few of these that I've got a knife, it's been something kind of cool, right? So I was like getting myself pumped up to be excited. Man, I don't know. In this exact moment during the recording, I'm actually kind of considering not uploading this. I'm trying to decide if it's more beneficial for you guys to upload it and tell you guys exactly what I think or to not upload it at all. So if you're watching it right now, I obviously decided it's worth letting you guys know. I'm not so sure how I feel about this moving forward. I liked the idea of it originally. I liked the idea of including this on the channel because I thought you guys might like it. And the first few that I got were like, wow, this is kind of neat. But what are we doing here? Going gear. I don't know. Anyways, guys, that's all the more I can say about this. Based on this video and the last one for the Going Gear EDC Club, I don't know that I can super, well, I can't recommend these packages if they're going to be like this. I just can't. So they send me another one. We'll see how the next one goes. Right. But I mean, if we get 3 in a row here that are just like huge bummers, I don't know that we're going to keep doing this on this channel. Anyways, I hope that you're at least mildly entertained by this. If you were, please leave a like. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do it or listen to me. I'm all messed up now because this thing was such a bummer. Lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.